Hi everyone! When we started this project, I did not think we were going to get to 3 parts. I thought we were going to end up stopping at 2, but then I got a crazy idea about doing a futuristic city behind. So we've drawn our robot nice and big, we've painted it, and now we're going to draw in that futuristic city. So the first thing we want to do is we want to draw a line that is going to be our division between ground and sky. We call it a ground line. So in some of our pictures, we like to stick it at the back and that back up here, and that is so that all of this right here can then be used for the background that's fairly close, or gives us more space to put stuff behind our robot. But in this case, we want to have our ground line down here because we want most of our city to be nice and big behind them. So I'm going to draw mine right about here, a little bit above his legs. Sketch it in first, and from there, this is going to be the ground. So what do I want him to be standing on? I don't know yet. We're not there. But this is where we will have the ground. Everything back here, I'm going to draw a simplified version of a city. So I don't want to go into extreme detail, because if we do, it's going to take forever. And I just want to draw a couple of buildings. And I really liked that second colorful one, so I'm going to look at that and see if there's any ideas that I might like from that one. Now, there's a cool building that kind of looks like it's a half circle. So I'm going to start out by sketching that line. I'm going to sketch kind of in this shape. And it has a second part that comes close to it. It curves like that. It's got some kind of cool windows on the front. So I'm going to sketch those in. And this one had more vertical windows, so I'm just going to draw some more vertical-ish windows. There's that. So I've got one building there. I'm going to smooth this line out just a little bit. Smooth that line out. There we go. That looks a little better. Okay, then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do kind of a wiggly building, because I like the wiggly building. I thought it was pretty cool. I know, I'm silly that way. And then let's go this way. Now, my wiggly building had some curvy windows, so I'm going to draw those curvy windows in. Now, is it okay to run off your paper? Yes. By all means, run off your paper. And then it's got some kind of funny circles on the side. Okay. Now, I've drawn something on the right, I've drawn something on the left. My guy's in the middle, but it looks kind of weird having this blank space right here. So I'm going to draw a little bit of another building in the background, just so that it doesn't look quite so weird and empty in that space. Now, if you want to draw a flying car there or something, go for it. So, now my background up top is filled in. It's time to fill in our bottom. So what is that ground going to look like? Now, I'm going to give it a little bit kind of a sidewalk look. So I'm going to draw a second horizontal line that goes across. And I'm going to give it some little verticals so it looks kind of like it's got a ledge. And then I'm going to kind of make this look almost checkerboard-like. My guy will be walking on this sidewalk. So, there's my futuristic city. You sketch yours in, and I will meet you in the next video, and we're going to talk about coloring and what materials to use to color. I'll see you there.